To connect your OnePlus 13 with your PC, first you will need to open a settings on your phone. Then scroll down looking for accessibility and convenience. Scroll down again and enter OTG connection. Make sure it's active. You'll have 10 minutes to connect it with your PC, otherwise this setting will turn off automatically. So now we need to grab a cable. You can use anything to connect that cable with your PC, and on the other end you will need USB-C plug and plug it right here where you usually charge your device. So I have that cable connected right now. And then we still need to stay on our phone as to scroll down notifications tab and look for the system UI charging this device via USB. As right now it's just charging and we want to change right here to file transfer. Unlock your phone and then we can finally move to our PC. And on our PC, select the file manager. And look for your PC right here. Then you will see OnePlus 13 and you can select it to transfer files between your PC or your phone.